cap. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a wig review on this Freetress let me just get it. This Freetress equal lace front wig. It is in the style Lacefront 202 and it is in the shade, it's in the color 02530. And it was also $45 at the beauty supply store. So if you guys like this wig, just keep on watching. Okay, let's get started with the review. So today I'm going to be doing a review, and I'm sorry if y'all can hear music in the background. They're listening to music upstairs, but we're just gonna go with it, whatever. So today I'm gonna be doing a review on the Freetress equal lace front. This is in the style 202. Yeah, this is in the style Free Part Lace 202 and it's in the color 530 or OT 530, which is red. I really wanted to just get like a red wig because I have not had red hair since like high school, and so I was like, why not? And it's long, which is not what I'm used to with wigs. But yeah, it was $44.99 at the beauty supply store. Alright, so let's take out the wig. Here is the tag. Please don't mind my nails either. So here's the tag, Freedom Part, Freetress, lace front. Here's how it looks on the model. And she has on the 27 color. As always, on the back it just comes with a couple of hair instructions, and then it also has the other part of the tag with the style and the color. Comes in a box, or in a little, yeah, like in a little box thing, of course. Let me just go ahead and take her out. She doesn't have a name, so leave a comment down below what you guys think I should name her. Wow, a beauty. I'm excited. So of course it comes with the hairnet just to hold the hair and it's not like all rattling around. As soon as I feel it, whoa, I'm shook. It feels like bundles of Brazilian hair. Feels good. It comes in the wrapping as always with the little stuffing so it can hold. And then, okay. The part looks like this. Just like your regular part. I'm probably gonna have to pluck it or whatever. But I like this because it comes with baby hairs already, which are a huge part to helping a wig look natural. So yeah, let me go ahead and cut off this part. The cap comes with 2 combs in the sides of the front and then 1 comb in the back, and then also an adjustable strap. Those are my favorite kind of wigs. Alright, so let's try this baby on. Whew. This cap. Okay, wig. I am here for her. She's cute. Ooh, what's her name gonna be? I feel like, let me know if you guys agree, but I feel like her name could be like Raven. And I'm sorry, I keep looking to the viewfinder, but I feel like her name could be like Raven. Or I feel like a raven right now. Like Raven is like this, like mysterious looking girl. But yeah, the hair feels really nice. Like when I roll or when I run my fingers through it, it feels pretty smooth. I would say that this, oh, shedding? Come on. There's already shedding though, so yeah, that sucks. But I mean, whatever, it's a wig, it's gonna shed. The hair just feels like really good to me. I wish you guys could feel it. But yeah, look at myself. Yeah, I like her. Alright, let me go cut the lace off right quick and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back and I cut off the lace. But yeah, I also brushed out the curls too, and I think that makes it look a lot more natural. But if we're gonna be honest, I really got this wig, like the curls are cute or whatever, but I really got this wig just so I can straighten it. Imagined it straightened, because I don't know, the thing about wigs is that like the curly wigs always look good when you straighten them. Like the wigs that have like this kind of wave pattern, they always end up looking way better than the actually straightened wigs. And then also, like, as I'm just like combing through it and playing with it and stuff, I'm finding like a lot of hair on me. Like I'm shedding, or the wig is shedding like a lot, but I feel like I'll be able to work with it. And then also, here is the back. Show y'all the length a little bit. Ooh, can y'all see? Yes. And then also, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see like where the baby hairs are, which I really appreciate. Yeah. All right, you guys, so that was my wig review on this Freetress Freedom Part wig. Yeah, I really like it. I feel like this wig, like my personality right now is like, hi, my name is Raven, and my theme song is Nice for What? Like, that's what I feel like right now. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed my review on this wig. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna do it with one hand, cause, no. Bye.